Are you looking for the top 5 best hair fiber sprays that actually work 2024? If you're shopping for hair fiber spray, you've probably noticed something weird. Every bottle looks the same, claims instant thickness, and promises a natural finish. But here's what no product page tells you. Most fibers fall off in humidity, clump at the roots, or leave a chalky mess. The real difference isn't in the marketing, it's in how they actually perform when you're caught in the rain or hugging someone. Product number 1, Topic Hair Building Fibers Bottle. Let's start with Topic's classic bottle version. This isn't just popular, it's the gold standard. At $14.97, it's mid-range, but with over 8,000 sold last month and being the #1 selling hair fiber, people clearly trust it. What caught my eye? It comes in 9 shades and works on all hair types, which matters because matching your exact hair color is half the battle. If you want instant thickness without looking like you dumped powder on your head, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These fibers are made from keratin, the same protein in your real hair, so they cling naturally and reflect light like real strands. That's why they don't look flat or fake under sunlight or office lighting. Plus, they resist wind, rain, and sweat, so you won't panic during a sudden downpour. And yes, they double as a root touch-up between dye jobs, which saves you time and money. Now, some people complained about the bottle making a mess, fibers flying everywhere if you're not careful. Here's the thing though, that's less about the product and more about technique. Just tap gently and apply in sections, it's not rocket science. This is perfect for you if you want reliable, long-lasting coverage with zero shine or residue. Skip this one if you hate any kind of powder-based product or have very oily scalps. It can look clunky. Product number 2, Topic Aerosol Spray Version. Now, if the bottle version's mess bothered you, Topic's aerosol spray fixes that, but with a trade-off. Same $14.97 price, same 8,000 plus monthly sales, but this one delivers fibers through a fine mist. The big win? Even application. No more clumps at the crown or missed spots along the hairline. It's especially great for men who want quick, targeted coverage without touching the fibers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The aerosol format gives you control. Light spray for subtle thickening, heavier for bald spots. And since it's paraben-free and weighs just 2 ounces, it's travel-friendly. But let's be real, some users said it feels less precise than the bottle. If you're trying to fill in a narrow part of your hairline, the spray can overshoot. Here's the thing though, practice makes perfect. Once you get the angle right, it's smooth. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go or hate the idea of shaking powder near your face. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. You're paying more for convenience, not better fibers.
Product number 3, Fiberlock Hairspray by Minute Hair. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for holding everything in place, especially in humidity. Fiberlock by Minute Hair is only $9.99, and while it's not a fiber itself, it's the secret weapon you didn't know you needed. It's a 4.1 ounce spray that locks fibers to your hair without stiffness. Here's why this matters for you specifically. No one talks about fiber fallout, but it happens. After a workout, a hug, or even just brushing your hair, fibers can loosen. This spray fixes that. It's formaldehyde-free, has a fresh scent, and works on all hair types. The low price and 1,000 plus monthly buyers show it's gaining traction. Now, some people complained it leaves a slight residue if overused. Here's the thing though, use 1 to 2 light sprays max, more isn't better. This is perfect for you if you live in humid climates or have active lifestyles.
Product number 4 was Zootunt 3-in-1 Fiber and Applicator Set. Now, if you're tired of messy bottles and uneven application, this next one takes a completely different approach. Wazutunt's 3-in-1 set includes fibers, a pump applicator, and a spray, all for just $9.99. That's insane value. The pump applicator is the game changer. No shaking, no flying powder, just press and go. Here's why this matters for you specifically: precision. You can target thinning spots, beard lines, or even side parts without wasting product. It's marketed toward men but works for anyone. The fibers resist sweat and wind, and the formula is chemical-free. With 1,000 plus sold last month, it's a sleeper hit. Now, some users said the spray nozzle clogs after a few uses. Here's the thing though, rinse it weekly with water. It's a minor fix for a major upgrade in control. This is perfect for you if you want salon-level precision at home. Skip this one if you prefer ultra-fine fibers. This has a slightly thicker texture. Product number 5, Topic Fiber Spray Applicator. Finally, if you already use Topic fibers but hate the mess, this $14.99 applicator is a lifesaver. It's not a fiber product, it's a tool. You attach it to any Topic bottle and spray fibers like a mist. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Consistency. No more uneven clumps or wasted product. It's perfect for thinning crowns, receding hairlines, or beard touch-ups. Over 1,000 bought it last month, proving it's not just a gimmick. Now, some people complained it doesn't fit older Topic bottles. Here's the thing now, Topic updated their design, so check compatibility first. This is perfect for you if you're already using Topic and want cleaner, faster application. Skip this one if you're using a different brand. It only works with Topic. For the price, it's a smart investment if you use fibers daily.
So which one's best? Topic's bottle is the most trusted. The aerosol version is better for precision. Fiberlock spray adds staying power. Wosu Tent gives you the most value. And the Topic applicator fixes the biggest complaint, mess. No single product wins for everyone. It depends on your hair, lifestyle, and budget. But one thing's clear, the right fiber spray can change how confident you feel every single day.